就让我们一起来欣赏客家音乐。
Hey, it's time for another round of Hakka music on Icrt. Now, this band is called Misa and Underground Stream. Their album Mosaic of the Night is laid out in a very interesting manner. Every song represents an hour starting at 6 in the evening all the way till 5 in the morning. Now, this song you're hearing is called Born at Night, or Yasang in Hakka. It represents 8 p.m., and it's about a story of a Japanese dance master who lost his sister because his family was poor and had to sell his sister off to a brothel. Of course, there's a lot of pain, there's a lot of sadness, and missing her sister here as we listen to Born at Night, or Yasang.我们现在收听的这是米沙和地下河的作品，来自于他们百叶生的专辑，而整个专辑的概念非常有趣哦，是从晚上6点钟一直到清晨5点钟来铺陈哦，每一首歌代表着每一个小时，而现在听的这首歌曲是代表晚上8点的夜深压嗓。这首歌的歌词呢，是一位日本舞蹈大师思念姐姐的故事，而米沙和地下河呢，却用非常正能量的爵士乐来呈现出来给大家咯。我们来继续听压嗓。
公主买落地，把牙张皮都用，听公主没强强。哎呀，要比天公开夜，把牙一流光，天公开水多。把牙张出世界。天公主没强强，啦贝啦啦啦比白呀要比，天公太爷，白呀一流光，天公太水多。
Another great Hakka song on ICRT. We'll see you next time.
客家风情由客家委员会监制。
We Love Hakka has been brought to you by the Hakka Affairs Council.